Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening settings on your iPhone or system preferences on a Mac and signing in if needed. Once done, tap your name to view Apple ID details and locate the email address shown. Make sure you can access that email inbox or a trusted device for verification codes. Otherwise, you'll need to update the contact method first. This step shows you where Apple expects to send the verification link and why access is required before continuing. Next, choose Verify Email or Send Verification Link from the Apple ID screen. This triggers the message to the address on file. Then open your email app, find the message from Apple, and click the verification link. That confirms ownership. If two-factor authentication is enabled, make sure to get the 6-digit code from a trusted device or SMS and enter it when prompted. This combination of link plus optional code prevents others from. Finally, return to your Apple ID settings and confirm the email now shows as verified. That completes the process. If the link expired or didn't arrive, tap Resend and try again, and make sure the email was not filtered into junk or spam. If verification still fails, check device time and date are correct and retry, because mismatched clocks can break verification tokens. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out and back in on a trusted device to force a fresh verification attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.